Imagine a place where the desire to learn is so strong that children will walk through mud and cross dangerous waters just to get to a classroom. This is the reality for the students of Olivia S. Washington School in Sandtown, Liberia. Founded by Olivia Sarnor after she saw the need for education to rebuild after the Civil War, this school is a beacon of hope. But right now, the journey to get here is a battle against the elements. The obstacles are real, and they are physical. First, there is the road. 1 mile of dirt that turns into a river during the rainy season. It becomes impassable, cutting off the school from essential supplies and preventing teachers from getting to class. Then there is the water. A large creek separates the school from the neighboring community of Dolo Town. In the dry season, it is a struggle, climbing up and down a steep embankment to water that at least knee-deep. In the rainy season, it is impossible. Currently, families need a vehicle just to reach a bridge miles away. The school attempts to help to transport students with an old Toyota sedan. And inside the school, we are running out of room. We have the students, we have the teachers, but we don't have the walls. We need to complete the second floor to double our classroom space so we can enroll 70 to 80 more students who are waiting for their chance to learn. We have a plan to remove these barriers, but we can't do it alone. We need to repair the road, build the footbridge, and finish the second floor. The initial cost to complete these 3 critical infrastructure projects is $300,000. This isn't just concrete and steel. This is access. This is safety. This is saying yes to every child who wants an education. Once the children are here, we must care for them. Our lunch program ensures no child learns on an empty stomach. For just $500 a month, we can provide nutritious meals for every student, fueling their minds and bodies. Our vision extends beyond the classroom. With the footbridge in place, we want to build a medical clinic to serve both Sandtown and Dolo Town, a place for health, healing, and wellness right on the school grounds. We also envision a guest house to welcome mission groups, a place for volunteers to stay, serve, and share their skills with this incredible community. To make these dreams of health and community partnership a reality, we estimate an additional $200,000. You might be thinking, $300,000, $500,000. That's a huge goal, and it is, but change happens 1 block at a time. We are asking you to buy a block, $5, just $5. That's the cost of a single trip to your favorite coffee shop. Skip 1 coffee, donate 1 block. For the price of a drink, you can help us build a road, bridge a gap, and educate a child. Join us. Build a foundation for the future. Visit BEELiberia.org to buy your block today. Together, we can build bridges to a brighter tomorrow.